Hey guys, I have a new handbag I'm so excited to show you. It is the Saint Laurent wallet on chain. We're gonna go over what fits inside and how to style, so let's get into it. My channel. I'm so excited about my new handbag today, and it is the Saint Laurent wallet on chain, and I have kind of been a little nervous about wallet on chain bags, not sure if I was going to like them, but I found the perfect bag in the perfect color, so I thought it was the best one for me to try for myself. So today we're going to do a review on the wallet on chain bag, and I'm going to show you what fits inside, how to style it, and all that good stuff. So if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome, I'm Christina. I make lots of fashion videos here on YouTube. If you love designer handbags, then you're gonna love my videos because we do a lot of them here. So it would mean so much to me if you subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll know when my new videos come out. All right guys, this is the beautiful Saint Laurent wallet on chain. We're gonna do a full-on review, and this is in the medium size, so it comes in a small size and a medium size. The small size retails for $12.50, the medium size retails for $16.50. I, however, was able to score this for an amazing price at my favorite pre-owned website, so I'll leave that down below in my description box if you want to find a website to save a lot of money on designer handbags. It's one of my favorite ways to grow my collection. So this bag is just so beautiful. It comes in tons of colors. Actually, when I was in Greece on my honeymoon, I almost bought it in red, but I'm glad I waited because I really love nude handbags, and I actually don't have any in my collection. This is my first nude one, so I love that it has the gold hardware. So when you open it up, it's just like a little envelope. It says Saint Laurent up here, and it says Paris. This is a little strap right here that you can actually remove the chain, which is really awesome because then it becomes an evening clutch at night. Or if you're lazy, like I tend to be when I'm switching out my bags, you can just throw the chain inside and close it like that, and then you have an evening wear bag, which is awesome. So inside there's quite a few pockets, which is really nice. So it has all these little card holder slots, which is just meant to be, like it says, a wallet on a chain. So you put all your cards in there, and then you have these two big pockets, and then you have this little zipper pocket inside, which is really great if you have anything important you don't want to fall out. And then you have another pocket back here and another pocket in the front. And so it's really great. The back is just the chevron print, and then the bottom looks like this. For wear and tear, because I did buy it pre-owned, I did notice some wear on the edges. There's some wear right here on the tips, and down at the bottom there has been some issues with I guess a little bit of the color coming off. However, I just sprayed mine with my Apple Guard protector, which you guys know I'm obsessed with that, so I don't think I will be having too much wear from here on out, but I don't mind a teeny bit of wear just because I saved so much money on this handbag. But I absolutely love it so far. I don't know if I'll wear it every single day, just because I probably would want a little bit of a bigger bag, but I feel this is a fantastic bag for evening wear, and it's also really great when you are just needing some simple things with you, for running errands or when you're traveling. I love crossbody bags when traveling. They're really convenient to throw in another purse, so that you can kind of bring two bags with you. But you'll definitely see me wearing this bag a lot when traveling, just because it's easy to make it a daytime look with a dress, and kind of crossbody, and then a little bit more elegant on the evening just over your shoulder, or wearing it as an envelope clutch. So I love that. I love YSL bags in general. They're one of my favorite brands, and I just love the colors that they come out with, and I love the YSL little emblem. I just really love a lot about it, and this chain is not too heavy, and it's really great for anyone who might be petite because this chain is not long at all. I'm 5'4.5", so technically not considered petite, but I'm not considered tall either. So this is really like the perfect length. So if you are shorter than me, you will probably love this bag as well, because it is not a long chain at all, which is awesome. So let's show you guys what fits inside. So this handbag is pretty much for the essentials. I put some cards in the back. So I have my Louis Vuitton. This is the iPhone 10 with the Louis Vuitton case. So you can put that like in the front or the back. It fits perfectly in there with a lot of extra room, so you can see how long the bag is. This case is pretty thick though, so it does take up a lot of room. I have just like a compact mirror that I can put in there. I have a lip gloss. I do have some business cards that I put in here in this envelope right here. So those fit really easily. This is a great little pouch to put something that you might need to keep like private. And then my keys are like the hardest part to put in here because it's really thick. So you kind of just have to move stuff around as needed. You can kind of move the lip gloss over here and then you close it. So it fits. When you put the wallet on a chain together, it does get really thick back here and more like poofy, but it does close okay. So for me, the biggest thing is the keys. They take up a lot of room. So something to consider if you have a lot of keys you have to carry around. Well, I actually like the way the bag looks when it's really full. It just looks a little bit more like puffy. I don't know, I like that though. If you don't want it to look puffy, then you just have to put a lot less stuff in it. So this isn't a bag that you can really carry a whole lot in, but it does fit the essentials. So there are pretty much 3 main ways you can wear this bag. You can use it as an evening clutch and remove the gold chain and just wear it as an evening clutch. You can keep the chain on and wear it just to the side, which would be really cute, just with dresses and jeans. And then you can also wear it cross-body if you want a little bit more of a casual look. This is great for running errands or, you know, traveling, things like that. So I love how versatile this handbag is. So far, I've only worn it a few times, but I do recommend it. It is kind of like something you have to get used to with the whole wallet on a chain thing, because you kind of like have to take your cards out and put them in the little slots, which could be annoying for some people. So far, it hasn't been that bad. I usually only like take a few cards with me anyway, and I keep them in my little phone case. So I just kind of like move them, or I just keep them in my phone case and don't use the card slots. You could do that too. But it is an absolutely gorgeous brat bag. As for the overall wear and tear of this handbag, I have heard some reviews that like the glazing chips easily and things like that. My other YSL bag I've had no issues with. This one has some chips on it. However, I feel like it has to do with the way the person who owned this bag before me took care of it. If you take care of your bag really well, you spray it and you kind of lock the color in, then you shouldn't really have too many issues. If you want to watch a video, I'm going to link that above of like how to spray your handbags and protect them from weather, from rain, and from color transfer. It works really well. I do it with all my handbags and I absolutely love it. I really don't have many issues with handbags because I do this trick. So if you guys love handbags, love tricks, love fashion, love beauty, you will love my channel. So don't forget to subscribe, you guys, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.